In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook call to action buttons for both ads and posts. Whether you're running a business campaign or just want to drive more engagement on your page, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook Ads Manager. This is where all your ad campaigns are created and managed. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Facebook account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that manages your business page or ads. Once you're in, you'll see your main campaign's dashboard. Next, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. You'll then be asked to choose your campaign objective. This could be traffic, engagement, conversions, or sales. Choose the one that best fits your goals and click Continue. Once your campaign objective is selected, scroll down and you'll see the Ad Setup section. This is where you can upload images, videos, or carousel visuals to make your ad stand out. After adding your creative assets, look for the field where you can enter your website link or destination URL. This link will be connected to your call to action button, so make sure it leads to the right place like your website, landing page, or product page. Once that's done, scroll down to the Call to Action CTA drop-down menu. Here, you'll find several button options like Shop Now, Learn More, Sign Up, Contact Us, or Watch More. Choose the one that matches the goal of your ad. For example, if you're promoting a product, Shop Now works perfectly. If you're running a webinar or event, go for Sign Up. Once selected, preview how the button looks in your ad. To make the process smoother, ensure your ad creative, whether an image or video, clearly supports your CTA. For instance, if your button says Learn More, your visuals and caption should spark curiosity or provide a clear reason to click. Also, double-check that your Facebook page is connected properly to the ad account before publishing. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Next, review your campaign settings, and then hit Publish. Facebook will start reviewing your ad, and once approved, it will go live with your CTA button ready to drive action. If you want to add a call to action button to a regular Facebook post instead of an ad, simply go to your Facebook page, click Create Post, and look for the Add button option below the post editor. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create effective call to action buttons in both Facebook ads and posts, helping you boost engagement and conversions effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.